2017 RAV-4 that was in an accident. You see the airbags? All these airbags. Where's that? Oh, airbag. They rip out the seats. You see how the seats are ripped out? So this is your side airbag. Here's your headliner airbag. Do you see that going all the way back there? You see your headliner airbag and the other seat. See how the seat has just blown apart? So this totals out the car into value, and you see right there where they cut it away so they could get out of the airbag. That's where the headliner stop your head from hitting there. And up here you see this one right here, they cut it away. And just that totals out the vehicle. The windshield cracked, and it's only a small hit. Look at how small. I mean, you almost see nothing. They hit the back of a truck, and like the trailer hit the sensor up there just perfect. If you look at this, this is only a $10,000 job right there. But now you got to do the clock spring inside the steering wheel. You got to do the airbag modules. You got to reset everything. So you got another like $15,000 in damage from the airbags, not including that little tiny bit of damage. And that totals this nice looking vehicle out. Look at how nice this vehicle is. There's nothing wrong with this vehicle other than that little tiny hit in the front. This would have been an easily fixed vehicle if it wasn't for the airbags. I know many of you customers don't know how easy it is to total out a vehicle when all the airbags go off. All right, just thought that was information you guys would like to see.